What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to get a 2023 Nissan Rogue unlocked and opened if the battery in the Rogue dies or if the battery in the Rogue's key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working and the vehicle's locked. So in either one of those scenarios, dead key fob battery or dead vehicle battery, the first thing we're going to want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. And then I'm just going to use this emergency key to unlock the driver's door. And from there you'll be able to pop the hood and charge or change your vehicle battery if that's what's dead. If the battery in your key fob is dead and you need to know how to change the battery, I'll include a link to that in the description box of this video. I'll also include a link on how to start your Rogue with a dead key fob. I'll include a link to that video in the description box of this video as well. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.